Edge Span U60 LTEP. It's a LTE POE router plus the UPS together as all-in-one power enclosure. Well, as the common applications that downlink, we have different kind of applications and provide a PoE and DC power. Uplink for this model, we have a choice of 4G uplink, and it can have one or two wireless modules. And we have the main link as GE-SFP link or RJ45 link. So as usual, you can set up this GE port or GE-SFP as the main link and 4G as a backup link. So when the main link is down, you swap the traffic to backup link, or then when the main link is recovered, the 4G traffic swap back to the main link. This is only one configuration, but if you don't have fiber, you can leave it alone and use 4G uplink alone. The 4G uplink you configure, as I mentioned, you can configure two 4G modules. If you have two 4G wireless modules, you can configure them as 1+1 backup. This model we have a different kind of a choice for the UPS system. We have option 1 is give you 200 watts UPS system. Another choice is to provide a 100 watts UPS system, and we can provide at most 3G in this module, and with RS-485 and RS-232 interface, also with the PoE functions. Here, why we provide this kind of different choices for 100 watts and 200 watts, because we saw that a lot of scenario, our customer only use on one port, our customers only use 1 or 2 cameras or 1 or 2 Wi-Fi APs, very light load. So we want to make a box that is not a very that really match your requirements. So this is exactly the box that you can use for 1 or 2 cameras, 1 or 2 Wi-Fi AP, this kind of site, and use LTE backhaul.